I went there with Mayhem basketball. I love her wizard pass started for Russell's success. So what happened with Russell? I think Russell passes to Garrett. Garrett too. No good. Russell touch. Oh, looks like I think this is Watertown, I think. The passer here is 88 right now. Let's see what happens. We have a game. We have a live game. There we go. But I tell you about a number 13 kid from Mayhem. He plays almost like an NBA player. These guys kid from the potty. So I get frustrated about it. So, you know, it's just a weapon, you know. It's kind of funny all about it, so, hey. Great ball here. I think that was 23. I got a flame right now. But we got a full game on them already. Which was given by permission by Nick Davis, by Bird, by former coach. Garrett, great pass. There's two. Almost busted right there. You have to play one side. You come to test it right there. That's his goes. I think way off. No good. Green. I think a guy named Mike has Mike number 11. And I think Russell is out bringing around the ball here. Russell, yeah. High number 40. He's actually in swimming right now. That's Olympic there. That's two. Nope, no good. Russell now bringing the ball down. I think Jared's trying to get in position here. There's a lot of contenders out there. Okay, we'll probably try to tumble there. Hoping he'll head. Right here. Russell now. Russell goes 2-2. Over Rainbow. By 2. And you got nothing but air that time. You have to find get the ball here. And 5-4-2. And I think he got nothing but air that time. Russell Musk passing the high. There, shoot. Over hard. That's so fine. And he got nothing but net. I think we got a foul. We got ourselves a foul here. I see where we go from here now. I didn't want to One of the red team that foul on it. I guess the first shot is nothing but air. There's my two. Hey, this is oh yeah, not ready for next week for line here. Well, that's fine too. Is pass. Okay, it's Jay here. Free throw line. So going high. And we'll have a jump ball return. Oh, whose ball is it? We don't know. We'll play it's a great ball. Yeah. Well, out assistant. Ain't me to put that here. See what team it is. Hey, what's the red team?
Brookings.
Brookings?
Yep.
Alright, the red team are Brookings. So we're just playing against Brookings. So that's a joke? Oh no, it's Jerry. He's a little bit short. Hi guys, Mike from Joe. And he makes the bucket. Alright, about 3 minutes to go. About 3 minutes to go in the first half. So Brookings is doing pretty good right now. No bucket right there by Brookings. We got Russell bringing down the ball here. Net return. There are two. Go here. There is out. And Josh and pass off to Mike. Mike is number 11. Russell. I made Todd back in while I went. We're going to play that Todd. That is Todd over here. Todd's number 40. Vitamin Club. Passing to Jarrett here. I hit a shot. 45 shot. Josh passing to Mike. Number 5, yeah. And one of the other points from Brookings is 5. We have around 7 seconds in the half here. And it looks like Josh got the ball. Hang the ball. And it looks like off a timeout. Or in 5 few seconds here. The ball. Russ trying to shoot the ball. But Bruce is off the ball right here. It is a full game. I see what happened here. And they Josh got the rebound. We'll go. It might be we'll fight it's a foul here. Yeah, but it's a shower, okay. Probably after this game, if you could, they was like, hey, take a shower. They were your jams. I might feel some of the jams and stuff like that. We have both Storm and Flame here. Go ahead. Yeah, 40 seconds to go. 13, 12. About 10 seconds to go. And we'll fight. We'll tie it up right there. And here's going to be a buzzer beater. Oh, you guys tie it up right there. That's the first half. So what's the halftime show? It's tie 10-10 right now. There's a nail biter right here. Both Flame, both Blizzard and Brooklyn are doing pretty good. We're gonna win this one. I see what happens. We're gonna play this for a little bit. Probably going to cut the game short. The ref was going to try to play it here. And we'll fight them. I didn't see it, but we'll fight them. Oh boy, we'll fight Brooklyn got the ball right now. Yeah, just a cheerleader go out. Oh no. Russell got the ball right now.
Yeah, I am.
Russell right, just massive deep hanger. Gee, looks like Brooklyn. Yeah, we will have a Washington defense. Oh my God! Russell and Josh have collided. There, we'll probably read a heart rat or something like that. There, here's this. And this is kind of, it's a blizzard to kind of pull off.
Calm down, Russell.
Well, Russell's got to get across the way too.